Hi, this is Asma, your chemistry teacher. In today's lesson, we will learn how to balance the combustion reaction of an alkene using a very simple step-by-step method. And we will also look at a shortcut pattern to solve an exam style question so you can avoid the common mistake which students make during an exam. So first you have to know how what are the products of the complete combustion of an alkene. Carbon dioxide and the water molecule are the products of the combustion reaction of an alkene. So, for example, when a methane undergoes the complete combustion reaction, it will produces the carbon dioxide gas plus water molecule. In an exam, they have asked you to write down the complete balance equation for the combustion of propane. So first you have to write down the unbalanced equation. C3H8 is the propane, and when it undergoes complete combustion reaction in the presence of an oxygen, it will produces carbon dioxide gas and the water molecules. So to balance the equation, uh, first we have to balance carbon first, then we will balance oxygen, and in the last oxygen. So over here on the left hand side we have three carbon atoms present in a propane molecule. So it will produces 3 moles of carbon dioxide gas. 8 hydrogen atoms present in a propane, it will produces 4 moles of hydrogen, 4 moles of water molecules. Since we know that in a water molecules we have 2 hydrogen atoms. So now we have to balance an oxygen. Carbon and hydrogen are balanced. So to balance oxygen, on the right hand side we have 6 oxygen atom in a carbon dioxide gas and 4 oxygen atom present in a water molecules, total of 10 hydrogen. So to balance it, we will write 5. 5 times 2, 10 oxygen atom. So this is the complete balance equation for the combustion of the propane. Let's take another example. When ethane undergoes combustion reaction, it will produces carbon dioxide gas and a water molecule. On the left hand side we have 2 carbon atoms, so it will produces 2 moles of carbon dioxide gas. We have 3 atoms of hydrogen atom on the right hand side, so it will produces 3 moles of water molecules. To balance the oxygen on the left hand side, we have 4 oxygen atoms in a carbon dioxide gas and 3 oxygen atoms in a water molecules, total of 7 oxygen atoms on the right hand side. To balance it, we just write 7 upon 2 or 3.5. This is the complete balance equation of the combustion of the ethane. So instead of writing the combustion equation from the scratch, we use our journal equation, which is CXHY plus O2 gives XCO2 plus Y upon 2 H2O. And to balance the oxygen, we use a factor X plus Y divided by 4. Here, X carbon atom present in an alkane gives off X mole of carbon dioxide gas and Y number of hydrogen atoms gives off Y upon 2 mole of water molecule. And for the oxygen, we have a factor X plus Y over 4 for the oxygen. This factor is used to balance, and this general equation is very helpful when we have a higher chain alkane molecules. Likewise, for example, if we have an octane C8H18 and you have to complete and balance it, what you have to do? First, write the unbalanced equation. 8 carbon atoms, so it will produce 8 moles of carbon dioxide. 18 hydrogen atoms, so it will be 9 moles of water molecule. To balance an oxygen, you just write X plus Y over 4. X is 18 plus Y 4, it will be 12.5. So it produces 12.5 moles of oxygen. In an exam, they have given you some tricky questions which seems to be very easy, but it will need some tricky. So we will use this factor. This is a past paper question. And in this question, they have asked you the complete combustion of 20 cm cube of a gaseous alkane X requires 130 cm cube of oxygen. Both volumes were measured at room temperature pressure. What would be the identity of X? And the given options are butane, ethane, methane, and the propane. So this question seems to be very easy, but it will be a tricky. And in this question, you have to use your two knowledge. First one is the stoichiometric knowledge, and the next one is the knowledge of this vector. And we know that these are the gases. Alkene is in gaseous form, and oxygen is a gas. So by using the stoichiometric knowledge, we will know that when the gases are at the same conditions, we will use their volume ratios. So X ratio oxygen 20 ratio 130, and we will get the ratio 1:6.5. So now you have to find out the identity of X. What will you do? Butane will be C4H10, ethane is C2H6, methane is CH4, and propane is C3H8. If you know this factor, simply put these value in the X is 4 plus Y is 10, 10 divided by 4. We will solve this. We will get the ratio. It means that we know that by calculating the ratio from their volumes, we know that 1 mole of alkenes reacts with 6.5 mole of an oxygen to give the complete combustion reaction. So by applying this factor, we will find out the identity of an X, and we find out that the butane is the alkane. I hope all this how to balance the combustion reaction equations of an alkene is clear to you, and whether you are using the simple method or by using a general equation, you have to be very careful instead of guessing the coefficients. Thank you so much.